Welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Levoit VortexIQ Pro. They finally did a much needed upgraded version for this. They had this similar version a long time ago. It was a lot bigger. Now they downsized it, made it more powerful. Let's just get straight into it. So first we're going to start off with the box experience. Everything you get, it's really well packaged. It has two layers. On the first layer we do have your charging base, charger, the actual device itself, user guide, and like mounting accessories and everything else like that. So it's pretty simple in terms of all the things that are included. You have pretty much a good variety, so no matter what, you don't have to buy multiple different machines. You just have it all with this one, which is really nice. Now to start off, I want to cover the battery. So I've been using this for about a month, and from like learning everything about it, this is a 25.2 volt detachable battery, meaning you don't have to worry about damages in the future or whatever the case may be. You could easily just swap it out, and that battery specifically has a bunch of safety precautions and everything like that in order to maximize safety, like overcurrent protection, charging, and everything else like that. It is a 285 watt powerful motor. Because of the high voltage, it's able to do a lot higher PA suction, meaning you're able to actually vacuum up a lot more with just a smaller battery. In terms of the battery runtime, you're able to get 60 minutes of runtime on eco mode, which is good for everyday cleans. We also have a mid mode, which is 25 minutes of runtime. And then we also do have a turbo mode for more deeper cleans that will give you a 10-minute runtime. So it will die very fast. Now when we test all three of these modes out on different use case scenarios, on eco mode, I usually use it for like hardwood or tile or anything like that. It's super easy to actually pick up a bunch of stuff. You could also use it on eco mode for rugs or welcome mats or whatever the case may be for your home. For the mid section, I like to use this on the couch, or when I'm using the crevice tool or something like that. That's what I like to use this one on, or just everyday cleans, hair on the floor or whatever the case may be. And then turbo mode would be for like heavy cereal on the ground, or if you need to just really deep clean an area, which I usually put this one on pretty much a lot of the time when I'm doing it on carpet. So it just depends on how much you want to use this, but it's good for a very good amount of coverage. Charging speed, wired is actually way faster than any of the other models that they've had, under 2 hours. I didn't time it, but I know it's really fast. In terms of the charging dock, I know that one's a little bit more. I think it's closer to 4 to 5 hours, roughly around that. So it does take a lot longer, but you don't really have to babysit it. You don't have to remember to unplug it. This does have a safety thing where it pretty much auto shuts off and stops charging, but just for peace of mind, I would just unplug it anyways. So you're able to actually go pretty much fully flat and get underneath like couches or harder to reach areas that you're not able to get with like bigger vacuums, because obviously they have huge things in the way and you're not able to do that. It's also really able to actually move around and maneuver. And also this has a better self-standing mechanism, so they actually improved it. I know the LVAC 200 had an issue with standing. It would always tip over or fall, and I did not like that. So they actually improved it. I don't know what exactly they did, but they helped balance it out so it's not too heavy on one side where it tips over and stuff. So I really love that I don't have to actually worry about it tipping over. See-through top panel where you're able to see the brush roller, it's a nice touch as well. There's a button on the side where you can just press and it'll pop it out, and then you can easily eject it. You don't have to worry about using any screws like old vacuums. This also does have a 5-stage HEPA filtration system, so when you are vacuuming, you don't have to worry about a bunch of dust going all over the place. They do have a washable version in the actual filter device itself, so you can wash the entire bin pretty much. You could also wash some of the filters as well, which I think is really nice, because I don't want to have to buy a bunch of filters in my vacuum, to be honest. So it's nice that they have it, and nice that you can actually take care of it. And the best portion of this has to be Neosite. So Neosite is their new technology. It's trademarked. It's a green LED that goes on the front, and what separates that from the traditional white ones is that it's able to not only give you better contrast of seeing dust particles, but the dust also appears larger and you're actually able to see it visibly because of the specific angle that it's at. And it's 150 degrees for the coverage, a huge range of where you're actually looking at. I don't know if I mentioned, but this is a 0.85 liter tank, so they did make it a lot larger. And this also does have a one-touch emptying base. Dump all the dirt and debris and stuff. This does have a display on the top, which not only shows the battery indicator status, but it finally also says what mode you're on. So you don't have to guess, oh, I'm on this, this, or this. It'll tell you you're on turbo or if you're on eco. And it'll also show you when it's charging because, you know, there's multiple different indicators now, as opposed to before where it was only on the battery itself. Now you could actually see it on the front. So using every single device, such as the crevice tool, able to get into a lot of deeper areas that you're not able to reach with obviously the other type of vacuum. And also you can just use it in your car. You can use it in couches, sofas, pretty much anywhere you can really think of. And it has a brush on the top, which you can lock into place. And also the mini roller, which I think is such a nice addition in order to clean, you know, couches, beds, your pets' beds, sofas, whatever the case may be, even pillows. You could clean and do all of that really, really easily. And it's motorized, which is really helpful. The roller itself is also no screws whatsoever, so you can easily eject that as well to be able to clean it or whatever the case may be. So with all that being said, this is definitely the best vacuum of 2026. Like, I don't know how Levoit's going to be able to improve on this. Like, maybe just a slightly bigger battery and then being able to add like a bunch of these tools onto the base. I think that would probably be the only things, but those are the only things I could really think of. Everything else is pretty much solid. Like, it's powerful. It does a really, really good job on area rugs, which a lot of other vacuums do a bad job where they get stuck. On turbo mode, this one does get stuck on rugs, but you know, that's kind of understandable. It's really powerful anyways. But yeah, everything on this, super good. And I'd recommend it. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a QR right there and I'll leave a description as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.